Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going through Cambridge AS and A level mathematics pure maths paper 1 from May-June 2023 series, right? So let's start. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends, and also press the like button, and I will wait for your comments in the comment section. If there is any suggestion for the improvement, you are welcome, please write there, so I'll try to improve next time. So let's start. The first question that we have here, the equation of the curve is such that dy over dx is given to us for x greater than 3. The curve passes through the point 4 and 5. Find the equation of the curve. So for the equation of the curve, that means we need y, right? So we have here, we are given dy over dx is 4. I can write it down as x minus 3 power minus 3, right? So now if we integrate this, if we do the integration on both sides, we are going to get y over here. So then this will become y, and integration on either side, we have 4 x minus 3 power 3 plus 1 over negative 3 plus 1 plus constant, right? So now let's simplify this one. So this is going to become 4 x minus 3 power minus 2 over minus 2 plus c, right? So this 2 and 2 will be cancelled by 4, so this will become negative 2 x minus 3 power minus 2 plus c. So this is y. Now we are given that it passes through this line, this curve passes through point 4 and 5. We have here passes through 4 and 5. So 4 and 5, right? So then we are going to substitute the values of x and y. So y is 5 when x is 4. 4 minus 3 power minus 2 plus c. So 5 equals to negative 2 times, this is 1, 4 minus 3, 1 raised to power negative 2, doesn't make any difference. So from here we will get c as 5 plus 2, which is 7, right? The value of c is 7. So now we are going to substitute that in this equation. So from equation 1 we will have y. So therefore y is equal to negative 2 x minus 3 power negative 2 plus 7, right? So now this one I can bring it down, x minus 3, so that exponent looks nice in a positive. So this is our final answer, that is the required curve, right? Now number 2, we have question from binomial, and the coefficient of x4 in this expansion is p. So this is a coefficient of x4 in this expansion is p, and coefficient of x squared in the expansion of this is q, right? So it's given that p plus q is 276. Find the possible values of constant a. So now we are looking for the coefficients. So first of all, I will have here, I'm expanding this one, x plus a power 6, right? So when we expand this, this is going to be 6c0. Do these right expansions very carefully. 6c1 x5, then we have a power 1 plus 6 c2 x power going to decrease and a's power is going to increase, then 6c3 x power 3 and a3, then plus we have 6c4 x squared and a4, then 6c5 x into a power 5 plus 6c6 a power 6, x power going to be 0, that will be 1, right? So now coefficient of x4, we are looking for coefficient of x4. As you can see, there is nothing in the denominator, so x power 4 is going to be from here. So this is our coefficient of x4, right? Coefficient of x4. So we are given that coefficient of x4 in this expansion is p. So therefore p is coefficient of x4 in this expansion, which is equal to 6c2 then a squared, right? So we can expand this. So this is 6 factorial over 2 factorial, 6 minus 2, that is 4 factorial into a squared, right? So let's just expand this one. So 6 factorial, 6 times 5 times, I can write down 4 factorial here. So this will be 2 times 1 times 4 factorial a squared. This 4 and 4 is gone, 2 times 3. So this is 15a squared, right? So this is equation 1. So this is our p. So p is 15a squared, right? Equation 1. Now we will take the another expansion, which is here. We have here ax plus 3 power 4. So now ax plus the second one we are going to expand. Now this ax plus 3 power 4. Let me write it down. 4c0 ax power 4 plus 4c1 ax power 3 into 3 plus 4c2 ax squared into 3 squared, right? Then plus 4c3 ax power 1 3 cubed and 4c4 3 power 4, right? So now we are looking for the coefficient of x squared. Coefficient of x squared will be given from here because there is nothing in denominator again. So this is the term that we actually need to find the coefficient. Okay, so 4c2. So now this is given to us as q. So q is therefore q is coefficient of x squared, which is going to be 4c2 a squared. When you open this, this will become a squared. X squared we are leaving because we are taking the coefficient, times 9, right? So let's expand this one. 4 over 2, then 2 times a squared plus 9, right? So this is going to be 4 3 2 factorial over here 2 factorial. This 2 I can write down 2 times 1. So this and this is gone. 2 times 2 is 4. So this is actually 3. Sorry, there is 9 here. This is not plus, this is multiply here. So times here we had 9, right? This 9 we missed here. 9 times 6 is 54. So this is going to be 54 a squared. So q from here is, therefore q is 54 a squared from here, right? A square, we have a square also here, right? So now we are given what is given to us. We are given that p plus q is equal to 276, right? 276. I will write down here 276. Substitute the values of p and q. This is number 2. From 1 we had 15 a squared plus 54 a squared is equal to 276. Add this. This is 69 a squared is 276. A squared is 276 over 69, which comes out to be 4, and so a is plus minus 2. So this is our final answer, right? So that's it for this video. Thank you so much guys. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe and share it with your friends.